sounded great downrange, but they were punishing on the weapon system. The gas was just not producing. So the main operating parameter we wanted with the suppressor was to be as low back pressure as possible. Instead of trying to get low back pressure all the way at the end of the suppressor, what if we manage back pressure at the blast chamber? So this could actually crowds the blast chamber, and each of these diamonds puts the gas exactly where I need it to go to fill up the blast chamber in a way where the reflected overpressure doesn't bounce back down the barrel. And when that starts to exit and leave the suppressor, there's a low pressure zone in the can that we actually pull that lower pressure gas that would otherwise be coming back down the bore axis. If you have a good working gun right now, put this on there, it's just gonna make it work better, right?